Well, let's try this again. Williams, Philippines. It's about 4:25 in the a.m. Had a guest just come by to check out. It is August 26, 2024. I hope you have had a wonderful weekend and that the start of your week is easy on you. I was watching a video. One of the little Filipina, I forget her name, but she was talking about how, the boyfriends make it hard on Filipinas with their neighbors and such, because their neighbors are chismis, chattering. Well, I just see that as a bunch of people being jealous, petty, and I don't really do that real well. I don't rent people space in my head, worrying about what they think, what they do. It's their problem. Yeah. Why would I want to let somebody in my head for free? Rent space. Concerned and worry about somebody's opinion of me. No. Yeah. Not happening. Take a flying Fruit Loop off a tall building, please. And yes, I have told people that before. Their problems are their problems. Like I say, don't make your problems my problems. You probably won't like my solution. 4th floor flight lessons available here. Yeah. Again, why would anybody want to take and let somebody else's jealousy make a difference in their life? I really just don't understand that. I'm shy. No. You're letting other people run your life. Trying to, deal with people who are telling you how to live your life and shoulda this, shoulda that. Don't. Perceptions are, what people perceive of you is their problem. The problem that you have to deal with is between your right ear, your left ear, your heart, your head, and God. As long as you're thinking right in your mind, your heart, head, and God are in line, why worry what other people are caring and saying and thinking? That's their problem. Yeah. I don't know. Talking about wanting to be bashful and only hold hands. Yeah. So you're going to let somebody else's ideas and perceptions, mess with your life, what you do in your life? Why? Seriously, why? It's if you're choosing to be with somebody and you're afraid to take and walk around loud and proud with that person, being with that person and presenting them to the world and saying, this is mine. Well, if you're not doing that, then why are you with them? You're a coward and afraid of them? What other people are saying? You're not proud of your partner? Why not? And if you're not, why are you with them? I mean, seriously. I just don't understand running around being afraid of other people's opinions. I just don't get it, don't care for it. Like I say, I've been accused once or twice of not being soft and cuddly. Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I've done things in my life that I ain't proud of. But I understand I had to go through what I had to go through to get to where I am today. And because I'm happy with who I am today, I have to at least accept the things that I went through to get to where I am today. Because if I changed that, I wouldn't be who I am right now. I'd be somebody else. And yes, I chose to change things and become a better me. But that didn't mean I'm going to take and let somebody else's opinion change me or make a concern for me. Yeah. I'm 61, heading to 62. I'm getting to be an old man. And, well, old men are known for being crotchety, cantankerous, and quite often we're called rude because we just don't care. It's not worth our thought process to give a flying Fruit Loop about it. It's just the way we are. We've been around too long and we've got a short amount of time left. And we just don't care what other people think because, hey, it's not important. The most that is important, especially with a relationship between people, the only person you should care about opinion is the person you're with. And like I said, why would you let somebody else rule your opinion of your person, the person in your life? Ashamed of them? I don't know. Is that what you're saying? Isn't that what you're saying when you're worried about what other people think? That you're ashamed of them? Why? Seriously, why? Anyway, I really don't worry about what other people think of me. Yeah, I'm old. But yeah, old men have a tendency to just speak what they say and, what they think. And yeah, we survived to this point. There's a reason we survived, is because we usually just go right through everything and don't really care what other people think, and we live our lives. Sometimes we come out of it a bit battered. Me, quite battered. But hey, we're still alive, we're still moving, and quite honestly, old men get to the point that we finally, have realized that we don't care what other folks think. We're here to have fun with our lives and live them. And your problem with our lives is your problem. That's between your right ear, your left ear, your heart, head, and God. That's in your head. And in your head is your problem. And why should I care about your problems unless you bring them to me? And hey, back to fourth floor flight lessons. Yeah, take a flying out a fourth floor window and, well, if you survive it, well, maybe you'll learn not to come to old men to get, directions on how to fix your life. Just saying. Anyway, I saw that video from that little Filipina and I'm like laughing. Why are you so cowardly? If you're going to live, step up and live. If you end up beat up, hey, you probably had some fun getting there. And you know what? Seeing shocked expressions on people's faces. Yeah. I love seeing shocked faces. Did he really say that? Oh my. Yeah, I say things like that, and I don't care if you don't like it. That's your problem. Yeah, just saying. Think about it. Seriously. Why are you letting other people rent space in your head for free? Live in your head rent free for nothing. Because you think their opinion matters? Why? Your neighbor's 3 houses down and they're talking about you. Did they put food on your plate? Did they pay your electric bill? Did they take and put, clothes on your back? No? Then why give a flying Fruit Loop what they think of you? Are they your family? I mean, seriously. Unless they're your family, even then, why let your family rent space in your head? If they don't like it, that's their problem. Yeah. Live life. Live large. Live happy. The point is to live. And if you ain't living, that's a problem for you to figure out. And if it's because you're being afraid of everybody else's what they think of you, well, why are you a coward? Seriously, why are you a coward? I don't care what other people think. I live my life. I live me. I have a lot of fun being me. It's like somebody asked me or commented about, are you depressed? You seem depressed. Well, no, I'm not depressed. I'm not bright-eyed and cheerful and bubbly. But I am trying to be more, express more of a laughter and, smile. And actually, this is kind of nice because I do have my teeth in and I can smile and it's not, it doesn't make jack-o'-lanterns jealous. So, yeah, it is what it is. I've learned to be a lot, and I've learned to be more open about that. I don't let these things stop me. I'm actually liking eating with these things, except for beef jerky. Beef jerky's really hard. That and peanuts. And I love beef jerky and peanuts. Back in right. Anyway, have fun with life. Live life. And if me pulling my teeth out surprised you, good. I don't know about y'all, but I don't have a lot of time left. I'm 61 years, heading towards 62 years. Even if I live to be, 100 years old, I'm still, 60% of the way there plus. And probably I'm not going to make it to 100 with all the stupid I did on Stupid Street. There's been a lot of wear and tear on me. But I do want to try to shoot for, not being the young man on my dad's side. I'd like to be the old man on my dad's side. And since, my dad's side of the family, we die between 65 and 67. If I make it to 68, I'm the old man in 5 generations. That's a good thing. So, yeah. I'd be happy to make it that old. But if I don't, well, I'm going to live until then and be as happy as I can. If I make it to 68, yay. What I really want to go for is not being the youngster on my mom's side. That's up there like 85. If I can make it that far, woohoo! So yeah, I'm going to go out and try to live life and have fun, enjoy it, see what I can do with it, and have as much fun in the process as I can. I don't worry about what other people think. Their problem. It's not me that needs to fix their problem. I'm working on me and mine. And I barely want to do my work. I do it because, well, it's me, it's mine. So I'm fixing me and mine as best I can. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. I hope you have a great week. A lot of food. That's important stuff. Because, well, being hungry is no fun. I believe in enjoying food the best I can. So I always hope everybody, I wish a good meal on everybody every day. Safe travels and blessings. I hope you all have a good one. I made it to 149 subscribers today, so thank you. I hope you all keep commenting, hit the like button, and share and comment, and all that fun stuff. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye.